My name is Sam Lawrence and I studied Level 3 Enhanced Engineering at Ngholeg Cambria. As a result of visiting the job shop, I was introduced to Electroimpact. I had 1 week's work experience there and I really enjoyed the company. It was great meeting the people there and I decided to apply for it later on. I personally found out about the job shop through my progress coach, but you can also find out about the job shop through the Ngholeg Cambria website.
Hi, my name is Ethan Davis and I'm the manufacturing lead at Electroimpact, a company that specialises in the manufacture and design of bespoke robotics and machinery for the aerospace industry. I chose to work with Job Shop at Ngholeg Cambria because I myself was an apprentice that came from Ngholeg Cambria almost 10 years ago. It's a great platform now with Job Shop in place that I was really keen to use it to get our new apprentices. It's a really easy process. As with all our apprentices that we've had through Job Shop, Sam's flourishing in his role. He's already working really well with all of our projects to the point where we've actually started using him on live projects. So he's now working with our skilled technicians to build our assembly lines and robotics and machinery that will ultimately be destined for customer.
I'm currently enjoying my apprenticeship. I usually work in and around control panels, wiring them, getting the cables ready for them, and the people I work with help me a lot. I've learned a lot from them and I can't wait to keep expanding on my knowledge. For someone who's unsure of using the job shop, I'd say give it a go. It doesn't take too long and you might get something out of it.
The job shop team's really approachable, very easy to talk to, and we do understand how scary the application process is. We're here to listen, we're here to advise and guide, we're here to make that application process so much easier and, hopefully support the students so that they can feel more confident.
We can also help support students just to decide what career path it is that they want to take, because they don't always know which way is best. So sometimes we'll just help sort of guide them about what career path it is that they'd like to take and what it is that they need to do to be able to succeed and just achieve their career goals. We do hold lots of different events throughout the year, so employers can come and sort of take part in those events and be able to meet students and sort of tell them about themselves and the sort of opportunities they could have within their workplace. Employers can also come in on a guest spotlight session, which is something that we also arrange. So we can arrange for them to come in and speak to groups of our learners. The best way students can get in contact with us is just to contact us through email, which is
jobshop@cambria.ac.uk.